Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. We're back, and we're back with some good news. We're back with some good news. Quick recap on the last trade that we took was a banger. We had these bad boys, and yeah, so we took these on literally all the accounts. My 5K, my 100K, and my funded 10K account. If you checked my last video, you guys will know why I took these setups and everything like that. So we're not going to get into it too much. I'm going to make this one quick, short, and simple, nice and sweet. We're just playing off of the fact that gold is overall bearish. So if you zoom out onto your higher time frames, we can clearly see that gold is still bearish, guys. So what I was looking for currently right now is a retest of a fair value gap, which we did have. So now I dropped down to my 5 minute, and then on my 5 minute I saw my my entry. So markets closed below this fair what's this resistance line that I have. So after markets closes below this resistance line, I'm going to put my stops above the high and take profit at the low. So that's basically what we're doing today. We're just going to be basically same simple systematic setup that I took. I just want to discuss what happened here. So in the morning, I had my scalping set up. I had assumed that markets were buying. I was looking for the longs, but it totally stopped me out. So that's what happened. Anyways, we're in this trade now, as you can see. We are in this trade targeting a nice $160 for my 5K account. As you guys can see my history here, we did lose today on $50. We made, so this was yesterday's two trades that we were in that hit TP. So yeah, this is pretty much how we are looking overall. So our first two trades were losses, then we had a nice big winner, then we had a couple of losses, and then a nice big winner again that probably covered these losses. Then we had some small losses, then a nice big winner again, and now we're still up on the account. As you can clearly see, we're up $400. So our goal is to get to 500. Once we get to 500, we can pass phase one. And then, oh, above my 100K, y'all, I have some good news. We finally passed the 100K. Let me show you guys. Because I know you guys be on some, you lying, you blah, blah, blah. So I gotta show you. I gotta show you that this is what we do. This is what we do. We made like $7,000 on that account. So it's currently being evaluated. So it's gonna be kind of hard because I last time my account was evaluated or being evaluated, they stopped me from logging into the account, so I can't log in anymore. However, I do have the email confirmation. So as you can see right here, gold funded phase one. This was literally yesterday. Was it today actually? No, it was today. Yeah, 7 a.m. in the morning today. It was literally today where it showed us that or it sent us the message telling us that we've passed phase one. The reason it told me that in the morning is because literally those TPs from yesterday hit today in the morning at like around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, overall some good setups. Okay, this is just taking forever. Long story short, yeah, you know what's up. We're in there like swimwear. So currently right now, this is the setup that we're looking at. I'm also in it on my funded account. If you guys are wondering, so if this hits TP, we pass phase one, y'all. We're trying to pass phase one. So if this hits TP, we're in there like swimwear. Come again? We're in there like what? Like swimwear. Exactly. Why is this PC being slow? Anyways, so I'm risking $50 on this account, and then on my funded account, my standard usual funded. So for 10K, I usually risk $100, and then for 5K, I use 50. But I think I'm gonna start also using. Excuse me. I'm gonna start also risking 50 um for my funded. I don't know if it's a bit too much. I actually just need to double check what is going on, bro. This thing is tweaking. Yes, bro, like you tweaking, bro. Anyways, let's log in. Perfect. So, as you guys can see, okay, still tweaking, not responding. What do you mean? Uh, this is why I need a new laptop. This is why I need a new laptop. This is just unnecessary, honestly speaking. Anyways, we're in now. So as you can see, we're in this trade. Um, Someone explain to me why I'm in two trades here. Oh yes. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay. I also need to update you guys um, on that setup. So when it comes to the GBP JPY, hold on. I don't know what's going on here. Is it freezing? Oh, it's pushing. Okay. It's pushing down. That's all we want. That's all we want to see. We want you to spike all the way down here, gold. So yeah, he's trying to make $400. We're risking roughly $100, $130. So that's pretty much that. And then let me quickly just explain to you my GBP setup. Cause yeah, we're in that as well. So on the GBP JPY, my network is now slow. So first my laptop was tweaking. So now the laptop stops tweaking and then the network starts tripping. Man, this shit trying to make me pissed off. Anyways, so as you can clearly see, we're in a downtrend, right? Markets have pulled back into this area, which is my daily fair value gap. So on my daily fair value gap, I'm looking to then see what markets short. So I go down to my 1 hour. On my 1 hour, it's clear textbook setup that I usually would take, where markets pushed back, gapped above, and then closed below here. So now I woke up in the morning. I wasn't really focused on it. I was still looking at gold, and I missed my 8 o'clock window to then short this market because I could have caught it a bit higher than what I did here, which kind of sucked. My stop loss would have been above these highs because I know that there's a fair value gap right here and an inverse. So markets showed the displacement, which was still fine to me because then I now know that, okay, this displacement is confirmation that we can continue going lower and most likely take out these lows. So with markets doing, oh my God, my shit is tripping, yo. I apologize. Anyways, so with markets like giving me these two bearish engulfing candlesticks, that's a sign that there are sellers in the market. So it's more than likely going to do exactly the same thing it did here. It's gonna sell down. So we're just watching these two candlesticks break again. So you can clearly see the momentum is bearish. So that's pretty much what we're doing. And then on my Nasdaq, currently I was actually waiting to anticipate some shorts. And I missed them. Fuck. Shit. I was supposed to catch some shorts from here, guys. Ugh. I was supposed to catch some shorts from here all the way to these lows. Oh man. That would have been a good setup. We would have been pushing in profits already. So as you can see, it was buying and we are strongly bearish. So it's nice when we have the system setting up in a way that also aligns with with the trend. So when you see markets are bearish overall, and then it administers the the scalp entry where markets should buy, to then if it's buying we selling, if it's selling we buying. So when it goes in the same direction as what we're trying to do overall, it tends to be a very good setup. Unfortunately, I missed this. Kind of, that's kind of frustrating, but nevertheless, we're in these gold shorts looking to target these lows. I will most likely update my YouTube shorts, so be sure to check out my YouTube shorts because that's where I mostly post when I am either closing the trade or the trade has hit TP. Sometimes I catch it on the phone, guys. I won't necessarily be able to catch it on my laptop because I do not record on this laptop a lot. It tweaks, it has a lot of issues. So this is just me like updating you guys on what's going on and what's happening and all of that. I think I can finally show you. Here we go. So as you guys can see, hi, this is the successful entry, the successful phase one evaluation. So we're just waiting. It was 6 hours ago, y'all. So this was today, literally today. The TPs hit and they said, yo, we see you, boy. So that's going to be the second funded account that I'm going to have, but I'm still going to have to pay because it was, I put $1 just so that I could pass the funded account. And then from that $1, they're going to accumulate and tell me what's necessary, what I need to do. So yeah, as for now, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm not looking for anything. I'm not interested in anything. There was nothing on Euro AUD that I was interested in trading. I did, however, see markets pulling back into this high, and that was on the 4 hour. So markets pulled back here. I'm not necessarily keen on shorting these markets solely because it's just in a larger range to the upside. Like this is still bullish to me. I don't know about you guys, but markets broke these highs, pushed up. I want to pull back into here, so I'm not necessarily. I'm just drawing this out to see if it will hold this intermediate trend for the pullback to then continue going higher. So I'm not interested in that. The only thing I'm interested in now is in gold. So gold, do me justice, hit my take profit so I can make these bands. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, same time. I think I'm gonna do my overview of my setups. If I catch a setup or if I caught a setup, I'm gonna do it around New York session too. Usually around this time. I think it's a perfect time because if I did catch a setup in the morning, you guys will see me that I caught it. But if I didn't, then maybe you can at least see me in a trade currently. So I think I'm gonna start doing it like this. That way I can just compile everything into one and have one video a day that you guys can see. Then maybe it can be a daily thing until, I mean, I'm gonna get busy eventually, but when I'm not too busy, I'll just try to record at least every day, just updating you guys. And it also helps not being able to, like, I don't have to edit. I just literally, I'm raw, I'm uncut about the situation, so I show you everything all at once without having to edit. So it's quite easy to just record and then do my thing. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.